the snow around, hun?
No. Then I don't have to shovel it all.
Yeah. We gotta be really careful going down south. I can't believe the snow over on the Coso Range. All of these cars are stuck because the northbound lane is closed. What a winter storm. Look at all these cars stuck. Are they, oh, they parked over here because there's no room. You can't go north. Didn't they read the signs?
Apparently not.
We can go south.
So it'll be clear by the time we get there.
It's so cold.
Just got out of the snow on the... I don't know if they had some here yesterday. It's gone now.
Our northbound was
Shut down.
we're heading south to rain this time.
Going to warmer climes.
A little bit warmer anyway. There have been storms just like these in the 50s, the 60s,
The teens.
the teens,
The old teens.
the old teens,
The
the 70s. We just are really surprised at the amount of snow that was on both sides of the highway. We're really close to both mountain ranges, so it's very easy to see the difference. But we sure got a lot of snow. It's been really, really nice
Yeah.
to have snow.
And I didn't shovel a speck except off the windshield.
So we don't get that much, but we do get a lot of snow in the mountains. Well, at least we haven't had for a while. But don't make any mistakes that we've had snowstorms like this, huge snow, and we're old enough to say we've had them. What's that?
I remember that.
Yeah.
We missed school one year for a week because the snow was 69, 68, 69. We had to go to school during Easter break to make up the time. We built snow walls and had lots of snowball fights.
I remember that.
Yeah, it was fun to be out of school.
During my birthday, there's a blizzard here.
Comes in like a lion.
We were in Hilton Head a couple of years ago, and I'm glad I brought my parka because it was freezing on the ocean on my birthday. So we are headed to Southern California. We're praying that the roads are going to be okay. We've just gone through. You guys just saw what we just traveled through.
Probably have some more on the side of the road in a couple spots.
Well, I'm a little bit worried about Cajon Pass, but we haven't heard anything.
It's open.
Yeah, we haven't heard anything.
They get lots of snow clouds out there.
Yes, because that's the main line to
They get it more than
Las
we do, so
Vegas
beyond.
and beyond. And we have some scans and so forth to do at UCI tomorrow, early tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. And I'm glad you guys are here with us in the cold.
In the warmer. It's clear up to 36 now.
We're gonna stop and get some gas and see what we see along the way. Take care, everybody. Glad you're here. See you in a little bit.
Have warm thoughts.
Warm thoughts. Yes.
snow melter. Supposed to be some warm rain, gonna make that stuff melt and start flooding. Sounds like fun. We'll see if we can see how much snow melted in the last about 22 hours maybe. Quite a bit. 2.5 inches of rain. It's full again. More than this 2 pipes can handle. Oh wow, it's out of the ditch over there too. Lovely snowmelt.
Billy hit the brakes and look what came off our roof. Go potty at the shop, at Donnie's shop.
Later on.